So reverse logistics really is, as it sounds, the reverse of a forward piece of logistics. When it comes to reverse logistics, you need to think of from the consumer to the manufacturer rather than from the manufacturer to the consumer. The most important thing to recognize here is that reverse logistics are what enable companies, brands, and consumers to make sure that the goods that they have purchased are able to go back into the circular economy. It's what allows us to take goods that have either been purchased and are too large, don't fit, or have reached the end of their natural life and need to be brought back in either for reselling, refurbishment, repair, recycling, or any of the other great ways that you can bring garments and material back into the economy. Reverse logistics plays an absolutely fundamental part of the circular economy. Without reverse logistics, you wouldn't have those typically invisible movements that you need in order to make this actually work on a day-to-day basis. What the circular economy needs is physical movement of goods in order to function. And what reverse logistics does is exactly that. It's the physical movement and coordination of goods being moved from, for example, your drawer with your single sock that you no longer can use, back over to either a warehouse, storage facility, or back to the manufacturer to be remade into new garments, for example. So in order to get involved with reverse logistics, there's really three big things that you need to consider. The first thing is you need to consider what your strategy for circularity is. What are you trying to achieve with it? How does it play into what you overall as a company are aiming to do? The second thing is you need to figure out how you tactically want to operationalize it. Where do you want to focus? Where do you want to prioritize? Are there different areas that you want to look into first? And what does this mean in terms of your overall operations? The final thing is you then need to engage your logistics provider at a design stage of the solution. You should not wait to bring in a logistics provider until you've already figured out what you want. We need to be a part of the solution, and we need to be part of figuring out how we can help you achieve your strategic and tactical goals within a circular economy.